All right, today. What's up, YouTube? Today we got 5 areas. I shorted myself by 1 room because of the client, man. Didn't tell me exactly what was going on, but it's okay. It's cool because it's my second time here back to her house, and they did allow me to do their couch and stuff too, so it's okay. I'm cool with losing 1 room. All right, so if you're ever in the scenario and you kind of short yourself, 1 room is okay, because they're gonna, based off what I did and just understanding this client here, they're gonna continue to use me. So I just did the upholstery last week, and I'm back here again another day to clean their car. So let's rock out. The spot here, it might be soda, but I asked the client what she think it was. She said she don't know. Her bed was sitting right here, so we're gonna see how that turns out.
Saw in your videos a couple nights ago.
You say you seen it? Where, YouTube?
I'm not sure my wife was looking at it, so...
Oh, that's Facebook. All right, today I want to talk about in this video the product I'm using. Pretty sure I showed y'all this before already. The Sage Sauce one, powder. This is the blue kind right here. Bring on the blue. I love this. Point, I got some of the deodorizer. This stuff right here smells good. Spice Air. Bridgepoint, a good company. I'm not doing pet treatment right now, but we run that Undoes It. Can't beat this right here. Odor X Undoes It. Some more Bridgepoint. There's another deodorizer with hydro side. This is pretty good here. And New Line. This is a company. I don't know where they're located at, but our local store sells this. And this is a solvent. And this stuff worked right here real good. This stuff worked right here pretty good. Yo. Now this is bogus here. I had to leave the house, right? I prepared my damn day today, and left my wand at home. So I'm headed back to the house to go get my wand out my other van, so I can head back to this next job. But luckily, my next appointment is around 1 o'clock. This job right here, I got my guy at the house now, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna be done prepping the carpet. And once he's done prepping, man, I'm getting straight in there to get the steaming going. So I already set my hoses up. My hoses and everything already put in place. All I gotta do is get back, snap, attach, and start cleaning. Alright, made it back. Made it back. Big Farmer Rooski.